Yes guys, welcome back to Crypto Alert and welcome back to another video on upcoming NFT projects that are set to explode. Now today's project is not really artistic, it isn't really creative in the art way, however it is really smart and well put together, bringing in some really unique utility. I can see it do really well, and also it is some alpha info for you guys because it is in extremely early stages. Before we go any further, let me remind you that I'm still doing the 2 Solana giveaway to 2 different people. All you gotta do is like and comment down below with your favorite NFT. Also remember that nothing in this video is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes, and always do your own research before making any sort of investment. With that being said, let's dive right in. Now, the NFT goes by the name of Hello My Meta Name Is, where pretty much you're giving yourself a nickname in the metaverse, and the slogan for the NFT itself is put your name in the metaverse. Now pretty much this NFT, we can actually go over to OpenSea and there is going to be a supply of 10,000. Now yes, it is in extremely early stages. There's only currently 17 owners, floor price sitting at 0.1, and there has been 3 Ethereum volume traded. Now I do want to find a bit more about this project, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. The pre-sale for the project will be from March 17th. So yes, exactly from today when you're seeing this video, to the public sale, which is going to be in April 2nd. So it's about 2 weeks from now, so not too long at all. Now, this is the vision behind the project. So Hello My Meta Name is built on a blockchain technology. One of the most exciting aspects of this tech is that it allows extensible design and dev, like putting your name on your NFT in the metaverse. Basically, if an idea is proven, people can easily build on it. As experienced developers, we will work hard to continuously develop and quickly achieve the goals in the roadmap as you start with your NFT in your metaverse to earn passive income. Metaverse DeFi. They also will create the Give Back to the Community program in order to show the appreciation towards the people supporting us in this project. Now the NFT itself, basically what it's going to do, it is going to implement like this tag right here and have it implemented in other NFTs that you're looking to use in the metaverse, and it will be basically giving yourself a username name to go by around in different metaverses. Now, this is obviously in extremely early stages, but as we come down here we get to learn a bit more about the project. So the NFT is a project that was developed by a talented team of cryptocurrency specialists with various skills such as blockchain business development and marketing. The ultimate goal is to give everyone a chance to put their name in the metaverse in order to be part of the story. And as you can see here, the NFT can be bought, sold and traded as soon as updated to be customized with your name on it. So yes, this name right here, it is able to be customized, and as we go over to OpenSea here, we can see that you can have different colors and so on for your name tag to have your name in between. Now I've got to say, this is extremely exciting, a really simple but unique and really effective project that is being brought onto the metaverse. And the Give Back to the Community program, I've mentioned it before, and pretty much what it is, if you're holding onto one of these NFTs, you actually have the chance to receive twice the price of that NFT that you end up purchasing for in Ethereum, and you're able to get it and still have the chance to hold on to your NFT. So you're not losing anything, it's basically like a raffle. Now here's how the program works. So the first 100 Hello on My Meta Name Is NFT sold, a draw will be given out with the owner having the opportunity to double what was invested in ETH on his wallet. So let's say he ends up purchasing an NFT, in this case for 2 Ethereum, they will be giving back 4 Ethereum and you will have the chance to hold on to the NFT. And the list actually keeps on going to the next 250, they end up buying the NFT, 500, the first 1,000 NFTs being sold, all the way up to the project being sold out, where they're going to be giving one owner the opportunity to again double the amount of Ethereum invested in the wallet. And this will keep on going in basically 250 then to 500 sort of slots. Right then, now the roadmap. In my opinion, one of the most important parts of this project, it is the fact that the pre-sale has just started. As you're watching this video, you'll have the chance until April 2nd to buy it for 20% off. So you're getting it obviously for much cheaper. They'll also be launching the Give Back to the Community program right here. As we did mention, the first 250 people will be able to actually have the chance to enter in the first slot. In April 2nd, there will be a public sale, and then the official launch of this NFT at the regular price, and they will be starting a marketing campaign. Now, April 12th, they will have a development of the NFT cross-chain bridge in order to allow the use of staking, selling, and holding your investment on the blockchain platform you actually prefer. And they will announce this later on down the line. Now in 2023, so these guys are being extremely realistic with their timing, which for me, it builds a lot of trust and transparency. They're not just throwing out a bunch of promises and in a really short span of time. So in 2023, they're going to be building a Discord server, compatible metaverse and partner announcements, customize their name on the Hello My Meta Name is NFT. So the NFT itself, you will be able to customize your name, so in these NFTs. And as we come down here, in the second quarter of 2023, they'll release the cross-chain NFT bridge, launch the staking of your NFT in the metaverse, and a DAO program for the community. Now, in my opinion, this is really important, as this is going to be the main bits of utility which will be going out later down in 2023, which is the cross-chain NFT bridge, which is really needed right now in the NFT world, and these guys are coming in with it, and I've got to say I'm extremely excited to see how that turns out. And then now to the infinite, so enjoy being part of the history of this project. Right down here, we actually have some more info on this team. So we got C Pillmore here, who is the guy behind the business dev and marketing. We have H Pion, who's the chief technology officer. We got B.HU, who is the cryptography and blockchain engineer, and M Sandorf, who is the graphic designer behind this NFT. Now these guys, from the looks of it, have got some serious experience in the crypto blockchain and just in business and entrepreneurship, which is really important in my opinion when it comes to building an NFT. But yes guys, that brings us to the end of this video. They actually have a tutorial on how you can actually buy Polygon NFTs on OpenSea, a full tutorial up in the pinned tweet in this site. I will also be linking it down below. This NFT is in the Polygon chain, which you'll be able to use and buy with Ethereum. So low gas fees, extremely smart and ideal for the project, and you're able to purchase it for 20% off before it goes up on the public sale. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. Other than that, it's been your boy Crypto Alert.